In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to change the material of a part. By changing the material, we change a bunch of different aspects about it. Its density, its weight. We can look at its electrical conductivity, so on and so forth. Most of the time we do this in terms of mass, because if all of the dimensions are correct, the mass based on what material is specified is one easy way to check a part to see if it's correct. So in order to do this, you want to go to physical material. And I happen to put this in my toolbar, but it is under modify, physical material. I can pin this to my toolbar. In my mechanical design class, this is one we use pretty often, is changing the material. If I select on the part, I can change the appearance. Forget that. So this one is Fusion 360's default material. It is not specified at this point. I'm going to select physical material, either by selecting modify in physical material or hitting the icon. So you'll get this dialog box for your materials. There is some organization here. Fusion 360 has quite a few different ones, and most of the time we're using metals or plastics. The metals list is quite extensive. I do wish they broke these down into folders for brass and bronze and copper and iron. But a common one is changing it to cast iron. And when I select cast iron, I'm dragging and dropping it onto the part. I am changing this for the entire part. Think about the manufactured world that we live in. I can't say half of this part is iron and half of it is brass. I'd have to have two separate parts that I then fuse together. If this is all one continuous material, that's what we are replicating here. By selecting cast iron, I do have this surface texture, which will replicate the sand mold. But we'll look at changing appearance in a later video tutorial. So I've changed the material, and now I can go and check the properties. I don't want to be in the sketch. I can check properties. My physical material is cast iron, and right now the appearance is cast iron. We can check things like mass, where the center of the mass is. It will give us a little note. We use this in terms of balance. I'm going to turn that one off. But as we go through this, it is a good way to check parts. So changing the materials, physical material. I'm going to expand the list. I'm just going to change it again. Something that shows up differently. I'll choose brass. Now the whole part has changed material.